Hey y'all, it's your girl KCharles. It is pre-Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Eve. I hope y'all are ready to enjoy your family, your friends, and yourself. Whatever you're doing today and tomorrow, I hope you're ready. Be ready for it, okay? I'm chilling. I talked to my sons this morning. They are all three going to be together by themselves for the first time in a long time. So my oldest son, everybody knows I have a daughter in love. My oldest son, his girlfriend is going home with her family. So she's going to be gone all weekend. And the youngest brother is coming up because there is a family reunion, not a family reunion. There is a class reunion and Thanksgiving. So he's going to see his dad and all the other stuff. Listen. So this is the first time in years that they're going to be in the same apartment together, like dry roommating, you know what I'm saying? So it's going to be exciting. I can't wait for that. I can't wait to see that interaction. Like I already told them, like y'all going to be FaceTiming me because I'm going to be FaceTiming y'all. Y'all better answer that phone too. Another thing is, y'all know they got all these Black Friday sales, so I already know what I want for Christmas. I done called my kids. I told them what I want for Christmas. I'm finna send it to them, exactly what I want. And I've divided up amongst the four of them. It's only gonna come out $75 a piece. They can handle that, and they gonna get it for me. Everybody was like, oh yeah, Mom, we got you. Don't worry about it. I put my daughter in love in charge of ordering and shipping to me, just in case I don't come home for Christmas, because I'm not really sure yet. I don't even know, y'all, what I'm going to do yet for Christmas and New Year's.
For 2 miles.
Because I don't think I'm going to be in no matching pajamas this Christmas. It's not kind of looking matchy pajama right now. So, since I'm not going to be in no matching pajamas and snuggled up with somebody and all that kind of things, I might get on the road. Y'all know how I do. I might try to find me a little trip or somewhere and go somewhere and hang out, see how they do it in another place for Christmas that I've never been before. So, I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm actually right now heading to some fabric stores. I have a box coming from Mood. Mood has a mystery box, and I used to order mystery boxes back in the day. I can't remember what the lady's name was, but she had a whole little thing. Like, she had so much fabric and stuff. She would just cut it up, put boxes together, and then send them out. They used to be like $10, $9 or something like that. That was way before social media and all that stuff was really, really popping. And so she would send it out. So, we would send her the money and she would send out the little mystery packs. And then, you would make stuff out of it. But she would always make sure that you had enough material in it to actually do like a whole project. Sometimes you would have remnants and stuff like that. But the majority of the time, for like your knits and stuff like that, she would make sure that you at least had a half a yard. Not a whole yard, but at least a half a yard to work with. And then she would get online and she would show you how she was working the packages. You know what I'm saying? Like, she was like, listen, y'all think that I'm sending you stuff that you can't use. Well, I'm going to open up one of the packages that I send out, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put something together. I loved it. Let me tell you, I really loved her content and stuff back in the day. I don't even think she's doing like content and stuff anymore, but so Mood Fabrics in New York City has a mystery box. You get 10 pounds of fabric. But we have no idea what the fabric is going to be or anything. And it was $52. And I'm like, I'm getting my Sojo back. So I was like, I'm going to get me one of these boxes. Because I bet you Mood is putting some good stuff in it. Mood going to put some good stuff in it because they want you to buy it. They're going to be like, and they're going to let you know what the material is and all that. Because they want you to get online and buy it. It's not all dead stock either. Some of it is, I think they said it was. But all of it is not. I can't wait to see my box. It's actually going to be here on Friday. So I'm going to just let y'all know what I'm doing on my Thanksgiving break. I'm sewing. I am sewing. And I want to thank Classified Life for getting my Sojo back. Y'all, if it wasn't me running into her video, watching her do that Juicy Couture sweatsuit, I probably would still be trying to get my Sojo back. So I want to say on this video right now, thank you. Classified Life, thank you. Because you really got my Sojo back. I actually did the Juicy Couture sweatsuit. I'm going to do the duet when I get home, but I got to do some running around first. But I definitely got a duet coming with my version of the Juicy Couture. I have not imprinted anything on the burnt area either yet, but I'm working on it because I ordered some glittery stuff from Cut. And that way it'll just cut it out and I can put it on there. So that's what I'm probably going to do. Well, that's not what I probably want to do. That's what I'm going to do. So just look for a duet by today or tomorrow because it's coming. And I love it. Thank you again for getting my sojo back. Like, I feel my creative juices moving again. And then with this mood box coming, I really feel like it's back, okay? So I'm actually going to be out here today going to a couple of fabric stores. I need some things I need to get. I need to get a couple more zippers and things like that. Because once I realized doing this project is that my supplies are low.
Feet, turn left onto Cumberland Boulevard Southeast.
So my supplies are low. So I got to get my supplies and stuff back up. So that's what I'm running around doing today. I even got my basket with me today.
Cumberland Boulevard Southeast.
I got my basket with me today so that I can pull everything back into the house. One trip. Yeah, I know we're not doing double trips and all that stuff. One trip. And what else? So that's it. I don't know what y'all got going on for Thanksgiving, but I hope it's healthy, happy, and all those good things that you want. I love y'all. Peace out. I will see y'all Monday. Because I'm going to be honest with y'all. Okay, let me take that back. I don't know if I'm going to make any videos. I actually have a YouTube tutorial. I did a tutorial on how to put the Juicy Couture sweatsuit together. So I'll be uploading that today. But honestly, I don't know if I'm going to video myself again. I got to get me some flash drives. Because, y'all, I am so tired. I ain't going to lie. I'm so tired of trying to transfer my stuff. Man, I had to delete thousands of pictures and videos off of my Google space so that I could upload the videos that I had for you all to do the sweatsuit. So I realized I'm definitely going out and grab me some flash drives today. I'm going to run into Best Buy. I know they got them on the TikTok shop and all that good stuff, but honestly, I just don't have the time to wait. I need to go ahead and do it now. That way, if I do some videos, I can go ahead and transfer it into that USB and then upload the videos. So that's my plan this week is to, like I said, I got my sojo back, so I'm planning to sew some things, planning to do some videos. It's time. So if you haven't done so, go on over to my YouTube and hit that subscribe button. Definitely so you can see how to put your own Juicy Couture sweatsuit together. You can also follow Classified Life and do the version that she did for her Juicy Couture sweatsuit. Like I said, we did actually 2 different things. It's like we almost did it in reverse, but whatever. Both of the sweatsuits are fire. Let me just say that. Hers is fire because she got that chocolate velvet. Baby, I was probably going to do me a chocolate one too. I ain't going to lie. So I'm going to just say, we just won't wear it on the same day. How about that, Classified? I won't wear mine the same day you wearing your chocolate one, baby. But right now, I got the light purple. And I love it. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to holler at y'all. Peace out. Later.